Hi there, it's George here, and today I want to show you my second greenhouse I bought and installed here in my garden. And already I added some plants here, and it's very hot inside, it's like 50 degrees, but now it's evening and only 34 degrees in Celsius. Well, I will grow here tomato seedlings and another vegetables from seed. Then I will move them in the garden, and then I will have to grow my plants in this greenhouse. Let me show you what I have inside. As I said, 34 degrees, and yeah, the lemon trees cuttings that I propagated I moved here, and we'll see how they will grow here. Tomato seeds, this one started to grow quite big already. These tomato seedlings did grow random germinated seeds, and I planted in the pots, as you can see. And here watermelon, not sure, but germinated and planted as well. Well, today I planted also some tomato seeds. This variety, yellow, name is Romus. Okay, wait 2 days around for germination, and we'll see when it will germinate. Also, I moved my mango tree here. It was grow new leaves, as you can see, like very big leaves. Oh my god, so big leaves and beautiful. And I repotted the mango tree today. Have to do this. Now wait for grow more, and in a few years should take mangoes. We'll see. Not sure, it's not grafted, but I hope it will make. Also good news, papaya from James from California. I planted here directly into the soil. That is amazing, and will grow fast and tall, and maybe I will have papaya. I don't know. It will be interesting. So looks like now. Recently planted here inside in the soil. Have to wait. Next is my eucalyptus deglupta, which is beautiful here. Awesome. And the mimosa pudica. And one banana tree. Just watered, and we'll see how it will grow. Here it's sunny all day. I will sow some watermelon seeds, and I will place here in the greenhouse to grow. And then I will move outdoor in the garden, and we'll see how they will grow. Thanks a lot for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.